Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today I am going to give you the very important information regarding the updated syllabus of class 10 SSLC Karnataka State Board students. Subject Social Science. Children, this is the new latest revised and final reduced syllabus. Approximately 30% syllabus has been reduced, so we are giving you the complete information as which are the chapters you want to study and which chapters you don't want to study in social science. Now we are going to start. So children, take your textbook ready with you and even the pencil. Keep part 1 and part 2 both the textbooks ready. Let's begin. History. You can see children, chapter number 1, Advent of Europeans to India. In this chapter you can see Carnatic Wars and the topic Battle of Plassey. The topic which all the related to Carnatic Wars and also the Battle of Plassey, this complete topics is been dropped, it's skipped. It means it is deleted. You no need to study now Carnatic Wars and Battle of Plassey and related information regarding these two topics, and rest of the things you want to study in this chapter. ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಿಕ್ ವಾರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸಿ ಇದೆರಡು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಏನು ಓದೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಓದಬೇಕು. Is this clear? Good. And next we have the chapter the extension of the British rule. In this chapter subsidiary alliance and doctrine of lapse, these two topics is been skipped. It means except these two topics you have to study the rest of the things in this chapter. Only these two topics are not there, it is dropped. Next, the impact of British rule in India. This chapter is written, you have to study this full chapter for this year board exam. And opposition to the British rule in Karnataka, you have to study even this chapter completely. Social and religious reform movements, even this chapter also you want to study completely. The first war of Indian independence 1857, even this chapter also you want to study completely. Next, chapter number 7, freedom movement. Even this chapter also you want to study completely. Era of Gandhi and national movement, even this chapter also you want to study completely. Post independent India, even this chapter also you want to study completely. And next we have the chapter number 10, the political development of 20th century. This chapter is dropped. This complete chapter is skipped. You don't want to study this full chapter. Is this clear? From the history, these chapters is been deleted. I hope you are understanding, children. What are the topics are there and which are the topics are not there. Is this clear? Good. Children, this is regarding history. Next, we come back to the important concept. Before that, I just like to tell you that we used to conduct offline classes in our institute from class 6 to 2nd PUC from the specialized stream of experts and resource persons for state ICSE and CBSE syllabus, and for PUC science, commerce and arts. We used to take classes in our academy. If any students are interested, you can join our regular classes. Admissions are open with limited seats. Next, coming back to political science. You can see here in political science chapter number 1, the problems of India and their solutions. In this chapter, terrorism topic and corporate strategy, these two topics are skipped. It means it has got deleted. You can see in this chapter, these are the last two topics. In this chapter, both the topics has been dropped. It means you won't get any questions from this topic. Is this clear? From terrorism and corporate strategy, you won't get any questions. You no need to study, rest of the things you have to study. Next, coming back to Indian foreign policy, this full chapter you have to study. India's relations with other countries, even this full chapter you want to study. In global problems and India's role, this chapter is retained. It means you have to study this chapter, but you can see arms race, economic regional cooperation. These two topics are deleted. This full chapter is there, but the topics is been deleted in this chapter, that is arms race, economic regional cooperation. This full I mean these two topics has been dropped. Actually it has supposed to come in this column, but it has went in the reason column. It's a small mistake has been done. You just make out. Arms race and economic regional cooperation, these two topics are deleted in this global problems and India's role. And in international institutions, this chapter is retained. You have to study this full chapter. Next, coming back to sociology, social stratification, you have to study this full chapter. Labor, with pay and without pay labor, this topic is skipped. You don't want to study information related to this topic as well as this topic. You won't get any questions in the upcoming board exam. Social movements, you have to study this full chapter. Social problems, even you have to study this full chapter. Children, we have got the branches in Bangalore, Tannery Road and Shivaji Nagar branch. So this is the location. Tannery Road branch, it is near to Mediscope Hospital, near Muslim Colony bus stop, opposite to it. And Shivaji Nagar branch, it is near Modi Masjid, Taskar town. It is near to Shivaji Nagar bus stand, Bangalore. And rest of the details has been given here. You can just go through it in case if you want to join our regular classes. Next, geography. India position and extent. This full chapter is deleted. It is skipped. Okay, you don't want to study anything related to this chapter. But for the knowledge purpose, I think it is very important chapter. But you won't get any questions in the upcoming board exam from this chapter. India physiography. This full chapter is retained. You have to study this full chapter. India climate. Even this chapter you have to study full. India soils. That is even this chapter also you have to study fully. India forest resources, even this chapter also you want to study completely. India water resources, even this chapter also you want to study fully. India land resources, even this chapter also you want to study completely. India mineral and power resources, this chapter is deleted, it is dropped. You won't get any questions from this chapter. India transport and communication, you have to study this full chapter. India industries, even here also you want to study this chapter completely. Next, India natural disasters, this chapter you want to study completely. India population, this chapter has been dropped. You won't get any questions from this chapter and this chapter has got deleted. And children, still if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, so kindly subscribe it and click the bell icon so that you can find the all notifications instantly. And also you can follow us through other social networking platforms. And if you have any doubts or something, you can comment me after this video, after watching this complete video, and click the like button if you have liked this session, and share this video as much as possible to your other friends, so let they also get the updated information so that it will be easy for them to start revising for their upcoming board exam. Economics development, this chapter you have to study fully. Rural development, even this chapter also you want to study completely. Money and credit, this chapter is been dropped, it is deleted. You won't get any questions from this chapter, no need to study for your upcoming board exam. Public finance and budget, even this chapter also has been skipped. You no need to study even this chapter, it has got deleted. Next, coming back to business studies, bank transaction, a banking transaction, this chapter is retained. You have to study this chapter fully. Entrepreneurship, this chapter is skipped, it has been dropped. You won't get any questions from this chapter. Globalization of business, even from this chapter also you won't get any questions for the upcoming board exam. Consumer education and protection, from this chapter you will be getting the questions. Is this clear? You have to study this chapter completely. I hope you all have understood regarding your social science as per the upcoming board exam. So if you have liked this video, share this video to all friends. Let they also get an opportunity to study with Faisal sir and also get the latest information about the upcoming final board exam. I hope you all have understood this class. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well. Keep watching. And in our other session, we are going to update the rest of the videos regarding the syllabus. And also we will upload important questions of your respective subjects for this upcoming board exams. So keep watching. Best of luck. Do well.